Hello guys, in our last video we discussed about how to start with your HTML file. So we also learned about some basic tags, that is doctype HTML, then again HTML. So let's revise those tags once again and then let's move to the next level. So the first tag was doctype HTML tag, then there was HTML tag opening, and then HTML closing tag. Whenever there is an opening tag, there is always a closing tag. Then comes head tag, and then body tag. Inside head tag, there comes one more tag, which is title tag. Now I'm closing this title tag. In title tag, let's type the title of our file, which is now my second HTML file. Okay, so we have done this much. Now I'm saving this file. Let's get back to browser. I'm reloading this. The title of this web page has changed, but still there is nothing inside the page as we have typed only tags and not any content till now. So to put content, let's start with the basic thing. What we are going to do, let's type heading H1, and inside it we will write next important HTML tags. So this is the heading of our HTML file, and then we will type a paragraph. Here we will discuss about other HTML tags, and then okay, now if we have started, let's move to our first tag, which is BR tag, which is a line breaking tag. So next tag is line break tag. Okay, now I'm saving this file. I'm going back to the browser, and when I reload this page I can see the heading there and the paragraph there, but what I'm seeing that these two sentences are not coming in a different lines as I've typed in my HTML coding. So why is it so? This is because HTML does not break lines on its own. For that we have to command it. And how can we command? With br tag. If I'm saving this, now I will go to the browser, and when I reload it, I can see the two sentences are now in different lines, and the line after the br tag is automatically shifted to the next line. It's not that because I've typed it in the next line, that's why it's coming on the next. But if I type, let's type here only. If I give br tag here and then I save, then I will see line break tag in the next line again. See, it's working. Now the next tag is horizontal line tag. What if I type tag element hr between these tags, and then what will I see if I'm saving this file? I will see a horizontal line across my browser. So hr tag creates a horizontal line in your browser. hr stands for horizontal line. So now we have covered two more tags. The first one is br tag, which is line breaking tag, and the second one is horizontal tag, which creates a horizontal line in your browser. The next important tags are bold, italic, and underline tags. Let's see how to use it. Let's type it only. Other important tags are bold, italic, and underline tags. Fine. Remembering these bold, italic, and underline tags is very easy. Why? Because for bold, we use element B. For italic, we use element I. And for underline, we use element U. Let's save this document and go back to the browser, reload this. Okay, I can see the bold is in bold, italic is italic, and underline is having underline character with it. So now we have learned 5 new tags: BR tag, HR tag, B, I, and U, which is bold, italic, and underline tag. Now let's move to the next level. Let's create a different paragraph here. You can create as many as paragraphs in your HTML file according to your convenience. So I'm creating a different paragraph here. So in this paragraph, let's start with the new tags. I will teach you 2 new tags, which is small and big. Let's type I can make you, oh, what I'm writing. I can make you small and I can make you big. Let's see. If you are using small, this is small tag and this is big tag. I'm saving this document, going back, reloading it. What I'm seeing, that small is smaller as compared to the normal text and big is bigger as compared to the normal text. So what this small and big tag exactly do, it adjusts the font size according to the normal size. Small make it smaller and big makes it bigger. What if I want to make it more smaller, more bigger? I will again type small. Mm, okay, now I'm saving it. Are you seeing how much is the size here? When I reload it, it will become more smaller. So now we have 2 more new tags. The first one was BR, the second one was HR, then it was bold, italic, underline, and now we also have small and big tag. Okay, now again I'm using line break. Now what's left? Okay, if I'm a science student and I have to type formula of water, which is H, sorry, H2O. Okay, if I'm saving this, what can I see? It's coming like this, but I'm sure it's wrong. 2 is never here. So where it should be? It should be at the foot of H. How we will do this? I will use a new tag, which is subtag, which will take it to the foot of H. So I'm saving this document, I'm reloading it again, and now you can see it's exactly what you see in your books and what you write in your copy. So subtag takes this element to downward and also makes it of smaller size. Now, now let's write this is the end of my second chapter. Okay, but what if I want this NT over to? Let's see. I'm saving this document, but I can see it like this. But I want this NT on the head of 2. So what will I do? I'll use a tag which is super tag or sup tag when I save this file. I reload it. Oh, I can see that 2 ND is there. Second is there, but I don't want it like this. I want to outside and ND above. So I'm saving it. And now let's see. It worked. So all the tags we learned in this chapter, let's revise them all again. The first one was BR, line breaking tag. Then it was HR, horizontal line. Then it was small. Then it was bold, italic, and underline tag. Then small and big tag. Then comes sub tag, and then comes super tag. So this is done with your second chapter. Let's move to the next one. If you like this video, then subscribe for more because we are coming with many more videos.